Hi, this is Danny with Colorado Springs Appliance Repair. I'm going to talk to you about a dryer that does not turn on. The most common issue with that is simply just a door switch. And a lot of people don't realize it, but they'll slam this door and never even think about it. Well, there's a switch right here, and this tab breaks off. It's really thin, so it doesn't take much slamming for that to break off. And then what happens, they close the door and it doesn't even engage the switch, and they go to hit the button and it doesn't turn on, and they're like, oh, I've got a major issue. So we get called out for a service call, and the first thing we check is the switch, because that's a very common issue on these dryers. So this is a very easy fix, and I'll be showing you this in the next video.